In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports in Shopify. This process is essential for understanding how your online store is performing and gaining insights into your sales, customer behavior, and overall business health. So, let's get started and explore how you can effortlessly generate reports using Shopify's powerful analytics tools. First, you need to navigate to the Analytics section on your Shopify dashboard. You'll find it in the left-hand panel of your admin page. This area is your go-to place for all things related to data and performance analysis within your store. Once you're in the Analytics section, you'll notice an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to a dedicated page where Shopify has conveniently compiled a list of pre-created reports just waiting for you to delve into. These reports are designed by Shopify to cater to a variety of needs, providing you with instant access to key metrics and data points. They cover a wide array of topics such as sales over time, customer behavior, and even inventory levels. With these reports, you have the opportunity to really dig deeper into the specifics of how your online business is faring, empowering you to make informed decisions. To run a report that you're interested in, simply click on it. Once you do, Shopify will begin generating the report, which might take a few moments to load depending on the amount of data, so a little patience might be required. Once the report is ready, you'll see it displayed on your screen in a clear, easy-to-understand layout. From here, you can start exploring the insights buried within your store's data. You can analyze trends, identify areas for improvement, and even uncover hidden opportunities you might not have noticed before. And that's pretty much it. Running reports in Shopify is straightforward and doesn't take much time. Yet it can provide you with a wealth of information. By regularly checking your reports, you'll be able to keep your finger on the pulse of your business, adjusting your strategies and tactics as needed to drive growth and success. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Shopify's reports. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or look for additional resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.